Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the 5 most important things you need to learn in carpentry. First and foremost, it's essential to master the basics. This includes understanding the different types of wood, their properties, and how to work with them. Next, it's crucial to learn how to use power tools properly. This means understanding their safety features, how to maintain them, and how to use them effectively. Thirdly, you'll want to hone your skills in hand tool use. This includes learning how to sharpen your tools, how to use them efficiently, and how to care for them. Fourthly, you'll need to understand the principles of design. This means learning about proportions, symmetry, and how to create pleasing aesthetics. Finally, you'll want to learn about the business side of carpentry. This includes understanding pricing, marketing, and how to run a successful business. So, there you have it, the 5 most important things to learn in carpentry. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills, and you'll be a master craftsman in no time. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tricks. Until next time, happy woodworking!